Are you there? You know when you see people that are doing well, you tell it, alright, you are doing well. Plug TV is doing well specially. So if you know you too, you want to be doing well, make sure you are plugged to Plug TV. You feel that? Make sure you are plugged to Plug TV, or else I will not freak your account. Alright.
Hey, what's up, the people of Lagos, and welcome back to Block TV. I still remain your very own girl, Annieberry. I know you all missed me. It's been a while, right? Okay, guys, I'm super excited to be right here at the movie grand premiere of The Lockdown, a movie by Moses Iyang. And I'm more super excited because we've got the great Almost Sexy and Tony Umes right here in this movie. If you've seen the Blood Sister movie, then you should know why I am super excited about this movie. So let's run to the red carpet. Let's go hear what people are expecting about the movie Lockdown. And as you can see from my outfit, if you mess up, if I lock you down, I'm gonna arrest you with all of this chains. So come along with me, guys. Let's go catch some fun. Okay, guys, right here at the movie premiere of Lockdown, and with me here is Officer Oyibo Rebel. He's not here alone, he's here with his pretty wife, Officer Alisa, right? Good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. So how do you feel being here tonight?
I mean, it's amazing, you know. We've been working hard, so we come and celebrate now, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you in this movie, right?
I am, yeah.
Okay, so what's your role in this movie?
I am Patient Zero.
Okay, so what exactly is Patient Zero doing in this movie?
Patient Zero is bringing the virus to the movie. I'm just a bad guy.
You know?
Yeah, just coming to mess up everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you came to actually show your wife the bad side of you that she's yet to see.
I play villains a lot, so she knows this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Lockdown, and as you can see, my and some guest is already vibing with the song. I'm getting money, big money. So where's this one?
That's it.
So good evening, handsome. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Alright.
So what's your name?
My name is Charles Bourne.
Okay, so Charles, what's up? What are you doing here? What are you here for?
Alright, it's a movie premiere for Lockdown the movie. I'm really excited about it.
This movie?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
But my very good friend Indidimo Koje is in the movie. Josh Too Funny as well. And I'm excited to just literally sit down and watch my experience in front of me. That is exciting.
So guys, we're still right here chilling at the movie premiere of The Lockdown, a movie by Moses Iyang. And with me here is you know what I'm saying now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Nigeria local Hobio.
Am I supposed to be excited?
No, you have to be excited.
Yeah, what's good? My name is Nas Boy.
I'm doing great, you know. Hi,
What's
so
up?
how are you doing tonight?
I'm dope.
Okay, so tell us your full name.
My name is Lawal Nasiru Bolaji, and I feel excited to say it because a lot of people think I'm Igbo, I'm Yoruba.
You know, from the recent interview that went viral.
Yeah.
So tell me, what makes you feel, how do you feel? Like, do you feel so comfortable talking like Davido?
Yeah, the idea was mimicking him, so I do it perfectly. It makes
Right?
It makes me feel good.
Right. Okay, so tell me, Bolaji, what are you expecting from this movie, Lockdown? What does it really mean to you?
I don't know. I'm in the movie. You don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. My name is Jasper in the movie.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Lockdown. Trust me, I haven't seen the movie, but from the trailer, damn.
Man,
As in, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait. I actually can't wait to see myself on TV. Do you get? I'm expecting to see a lot of people. I wasn't on set when Sola Sobowale came and some of the people, so I can't wait to see them on screen.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Lockdown, a movie by Moses Iyang, and with me here is one of the cast of this great movie, Josh Too Funny. Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How you doing?
I'm all right.
You look amazing.
Thank you. I mean, looking bad too.
Yeah.
I was thinking I was gonna see you in a police attire or in doctor outfits, kind of.
Well, we don't shoot the movie fast now.
So you are doing like Otutu.
No, still look fine small.
Okay. Okay, so Josh, tell us about this movie. Hint us.
Okay, it's about some people that gather to our movie that you need to go and see. It's not me that will tell you. Go and watch it.
Go to the cinema.
Go and watch it because see, there's a whole lot of work that was put in that movie. I'm telling you, so you can't even afford. You can't afford.
I feel you.
I feel you.
You know.
You need to say it. You need to say it.
Okay, so Josh, tell me, how was the experience like? Like when you got the call that you were gonna be in this movie, how did you feel when you got the script?
Yeah. Okay. First of all, I was called from Out of the Blues. I mean, I was surprised. Like, why you could choose me? That when I now saw the script, I was like, okay, no wonder you guys picked me for this. But when I saw the script, I actually fell in love with the movie. First. I liked the character Sonny. I played Sonny in the movie. I liked the character Sonny, and I felt like I'm gonna kill this. And I just went ahead and killed it, and he died.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Lockdown, and with me here to my right, to my left is the most Nollywood finest right here in this movie premiere tonight. Give it up for the owner of the movie itself, Mr. Moses Iyang, and the Nollywood finest, Iwang. Okay, and I have Ramsey Noah with me. Good evening.
Good evening, guys. What's your TV station called?
Blog TV.
Blog. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. So tell me, how do you feel to be here? Come celebrating with your friend.
The whole idea is to support the industry and then to support the art. What I really desire is to take our industry to the next level. And anybody that shares the same vision, I'm always willing to be part of that. And he's one of those guys. That guy. That's why I'm here.
Okay. So, Mr. Moses, can you tell us the inspiration behind this movie? What brought it about?
It's the sign of our times, you know, basically. We all know what happened in the past year, the lockdown. It's not like this film is chasing the story, because we've also had the script for this film a few years before the actual lockdown. Yeah, but we felt like this was the right time to do it, and then to retell that story and see how this lockdown has affected everyone, how it could still affect all of us living today.
Okay, guys, with me here is the freaky daddy.
You're doing well. Send me your account number.
Okay. Okay, so good evening, Mr. Daybo. Mr. Macaron, tell me, how do you feel to be here tonight?
I feel very good. I feel very great. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm not here to freaky anyone, but of course, if they call on me to freaky, who am I? Who am I to reject the calling? So yes, I'm very excited to be here, and I'm hopeful for a wonderful time.
Okay, so are you in this movie?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so tell me what excites you about this movie.
Well, the title, the theme, lockdown. It takes you back to when coronavirus was really at the peak, and they said everybody locked down. So you want to imagine how those people are trapped and what really happened. So yes, that's the catch for me.
So ladies and gentlemen, you can tell that the atmosphere is really awesome tonight because Mama is here. You know Mama now. If Mama is here, if you've seen Wedding Party, then you know what I'm talking about. Good evening, Mama.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
From the trailer of the movie, it was your voice I heard. I said, oh, Mama is here. Get in. Okay, so Mommy, tell me, how do you feel to be here tonight?
I'm loving it. I feel great. I feel good. I want this movie to come out. I want people, because I don't even see myself as an actor in the movie. I'm seeing myself as fan like you.
You know?
I can't wait to see the movie. I'm hungry for it.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
Okay, Mommy. So tell me, how did you feel when you got the script of this movie first?
First of all, it was very easy. Because the script came for someone I respect so much, someone that knows what he's doing, the one that is a storyteller, someone that is a fantastic director. And someone just locked me down, and he did.
Hey, come on now.
simple.
Okay, so mommy, aside the fact that you're in this movie, which other actors were you excited working with?
Everyone brought it on. Everyone, it was like a family with all this challenging, with everything, including the crew. We didn't even want it to end. We were loving it, at the same time, it was hell of a job.
Lockdown is bringing back the old way,
Okay.
the dreams, putting
Okay.
together the dreams of every actor. Because when you walk through this way for the purpose of a movie, and then you know what it means.
All right, so tell me, how do you feel when you got the script of this particular movie at first?
Amazing, I must say, amazing. Initially, when I started reading the script, I couldn't put it together, I was like, what is this up to now? Then when I got to the middle of the story, everything started coming together because, wow, everybody having a problem and they all can end up at the same place. And before I knew what happened, I got involved.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the flight of this lockdown is about to take off. So I'm right here sitting with the pilot of today. Is no other person than the Prince. Good evening, Pilot Prince.
Captain Prince.
Okay, Captain
Yes.
Prince. Okay, Captain Prince, good evening.
Good evening. I'm doing great.
Good to see you again.
Same here.
Okay, so what's up with this outfit then? What's up? You're always killing us.
Essential workers, and I believe that pilots played a very big role during the lockdown, moving, medical equipments and medical personnel. So yes, I decided to honor them, and I've always wanted to be a pilot. One of my fantasies. Yeah.
All right, so who are you looking forward to seeing this movie?
Omotola. It's been a while. Because it's been a while, and she's one of the icons of our Nigerian movie industry, and it's been a while. Any movie that she's in, you definitely know that she's going to kill it. And of course, my brother, my friend Jide Kene as well. He has been one of the trailblazers in the industry recently. So yeah, everybody in the movie has been amazing, especially the producers. So I'm definitely looking forward to what it's going to be.
Hey guys, and we have come to the end of this great movie premiere, Locked Down, coming out to the cinemas May 28, 2021. I mean, this movie is fantastic. You need to see now. Mommy Shola Shobowale brought out her A game. Omotola, you know what's up. Tony Umes, you know what I'm talking about. These great Nollywood icons are present in this movie, and I know for sure that you can afford to miss this movie or allow anyone to tell you about it. So come rush to the cinemas May 28, 2021. Come watch Lockdown. Thank you so very much, and see you some other time. Keep watching Plug TV. I still remain your humble girl, E to the NNY, BERRO, Eddie Berry. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back.